In this video, I'm going to give you a nice little tour of the kit that I'm using for the Corrosion of Conformity sessions. So we've already done about 5 sessions and we've come up with 12 tunes that we're focusing on. So the goal is to be together for 6 days and learn these 12 tunes like a set. So I'm all set up and everybody else's rigs are all around me. You're gonna see that in just a minute. This is my 70s Gretsch red glass glitter kit. So thanks for checking us out. All right, so a quick little tour of the kit. This is my 70s Gretsch slanted G kit. I've got the key right there in the badge. I always keep a key there so that I always know where it's at, but that's the badge. And then these drums are 14, 16, 18, 26 Bonham sizes, and everything is traditional depths. So that's a 10 by 14, that's a 16 by 16, and a 16 deep by 18, and a 14 deep by 26. I've got my titanium Stanton Moore Spirit of New Orleans up at the moment. And then that's one of my trash crashes. That's a 22 custom that was made for me, and it's kind of made off of a Corrosion, but it's also kind of a replica of one of my wide rides. This is a 20 that is basically a trash crash before we put all the indentations on it. And then I've got my left side percussion because I might use some of that on some stuff. I've got some ideas for some stuff I'm gonna do. And then I've got a bunch of different cymbals over here, and I've got a couple wild things. Here's something with a gargantuan bell, which I might pull up for some stuff, but that bell is huge. This is a 22-inch, like Crash of Doom, kind of, with a giant bell, and it sounds pretty cool. And then got some super thin K crashes, which just came out. And then let's take a look over here. We've got my charts. So I've got my binder full of charts. These are my COC charts, but I've got everything from Galactic, Brad Walker, COC. I'm playing with Nels Klein on the 17th, and then I've got everything for this month. I've got a lot of different music to know this month, so I got it all in one place. And then I have the COC stuff in here. So there's a couple new Galactic tunes that we learned, and then Brad Walker stuff that we just did the other night, and then a bunch of the COC stuff. And then I've got this bag, which is full of 5 snares that I bring to all my sessions. And that is actually a protector made by Gator. It's a bag that they make for V-drums, but it's got movable partitions. So I've got a little pearl popcorn snare, got one of my Gretsch signature bird's eye maple solid ply. This is a 5x14 classic Ludwig 404 Superphonic. This is the 6.5x14 Ludwig Superphonic, and that's actually a reissue, but that's the John Bonham size. And then here is a Swamp Dogg tuned super low 8x14, and I've got that kind of like with the Al Jackson kind of thwack. And then here we are, and here's Pepper Keenan's rig over here, and Woody Weatherman's rig over here, and Bobby Landgraf is playing bass with us, and that's his rig. And here's a front view of the kit, and Pep hung this bulldog tapestry on the front of the drums, but when I'm doing rehearsals and stuff, I'll hang my jacket right there off the cymbal stand. And then we've got a couple classic Coles just to capture the drums. We're just doing some rehearsing and running through the tunes and getting the tunes together before we go in and do the sessions. And then gold records on the wall. There's Pepper's gold record copy of Deliverance. Very cool. That's what we're doing over here. And one more time, looking from my view into the room. And then we've got Warren Riker right there behind those guitars. And Warren is hanging out, recording everything, giving input. But right now we're just trying to learn everything like a set and learn all 12 songs. And we're having fun with it. And we're writing some of the arrangements up there on the wall. And yes, indeed. Very cool. Thanks for checking out this video. If you dug this video, please hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can keep bringing you some of these behind the scenes videos as well as all the lesson stuff. So I appreciate you checking it all out. See you down the line. Yes, indeed.